A few moments later.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Abjit. Today I'm giving a review of one phone guys, that is none other than a Samsung phone. Why I'm giving now means I bought this phone 6 years back guys, but I'm giving the review now because in that time what is the Android version they used, and in that time what is the image stabilization, and what is the screen resolution, and what is the processor they used. Now I'm telling that all guys, so let's get start our episode. So first starting, we can see the box like this. It is full cardboard like box, and here Samsung branding. Here the phone look like this guys, and it supports 12 languages. And here they wrote Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo. And turning to right side, here some specifications are there guys. Here they wrote like this guys: 5 megapixel plus VGA camera, 2000 mAh, 2100 mAh battery only guys. In that time that is very good battery. And down they got Android technology and Wi-Fi certified and Bluetooth smart ready guys. And coming to down, they got some information guys. And back nothing. And here's they got Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo. And down they got the color of this phone is white guys. And turning to this, already we saw. And here also they got Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo. And the price of this is 19,010 rupees guys. Nowadays 19,000 we have means we will get a nice gaming phone guys, but in that time the phone cost is 19,000 maximum retail price MRP. But this phone is not up to the mark guys. Now this phone cost is 6,000 rupees only, but in that time 19,000 guys, not worth. And I don't know what items are there in the box also guys. I also opening now only. And after opening the phone, see how many openings are there. First phone is only there guys. This is the phone we will keep aside. And after that, one user manual is there guys. Earphones, that all gone guys, not there. This is the user manual of the book of the phone, and this is the bill guys. I will show. In the time we bought in offline store guys, and the price they wrote is see 16,800. Date 1/4/2014. 16,800 they wrote guys. Means 19,000 phone we bought for 16,800 rupees. Now I will show the phone guys. So this is the overall phone guys. And the physical overview of the phone is left side you have volume rockers up and down. And see guys, the phone full spoiled after 6 years. This is the microphone. This is micro USB cable port. And here you have power on off button. And top you have 3.5 mm jack. And back side you have torch, speaker, and the camera and Samsung logo guys. Front you have VGA camera, speaker, and two sensors guys. Here Samsung logo. So switch on the phone guys. The power is not there guys. So guys, now I am owning the phone. I connected to my power bank. This is MI2i power bank, 10,000 mAh battery. Now I am switching on the phone guys. This is very old phone guys. See, you got Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo. Before I on the phone guys, after on immediately the battery down guys. The battery fully spoiled. You got Samsung logo. This is only 1 GB RAM guys. 1 GB RAM only costs 19,000. Now you have 19,000 means you will get 12 GB RAM also. See how much time. After on the phone, the physical audio is like this guys. Here you have Wi-Fi, GPS, sound, screen rotation, Bluetooth, mobile data, blocking mode. So much information there guys. And going to here, you have these many apps guys. Going to settings, see guys, more, about device. See guys, the model number is GT19060. Android version is 4 guys. Now you got Android version 11 also, but this is Android version 4 guys. Jelly Bean. And the baseband version you can see guys, the kernel version you can see, the build number is this guys. So this is Android version 4. And going to sensors, you should install CPU Jet guys to know what sensors are present in this phone. This is the Cortex processor guys. Course only 4 guys. Nowadays we are getting 8, 12, and the clock speed you can see. The processor is ARM Cortex A7 1.2 GHz only guys. Nowadays we are getting 2.3 GHz also. But in that time this is very good phone guys. The brand Samsung board Java. The screen size only 5 inches guys. Screen resolution 480 into 800 pixels only. Nowadays we are getting 1200 into 780 pixels. Screen density is 186 dpi only. Only not guys, in that time that is very good. Dimensions, weight 163 grams, battery is 2100 mAh, total RAM 1 GB RAM guys. In that 968 MB RAM is there guys. In that available RAM is 314 MB guys. Internal storage 8 GB only guys. In that 3 GB used for software and 5 GB remaining guys. In that 3 GB is remaining to use. Release date 2014-11. You can see the date guys, 6 years before phone. And the system is Android version 2. I already told guys. And this is the information guys. Battery good. And see guys, I told battery is 2100 mAh. Nothing is there guys, no sensors, only orient proximity, that sensors only there guys, only 4-5. Nowadays we are getting so many sensors guys. In that time no sensors are there guys. And this is the overall menu of the phone guys. And back side you have 5 megapixel camera guys, front side you have VGA camera. So this is the camera guys. See, I press it so many times. Very bad quality guys. I will compare the screen with recent Samsung phone and this Samsung phone. I will compare both phones guys. And I will show the comparison of recently bought Samsung phone and 6 years back Samsung phone guys. Screen resolution. I am really sorry guys, the YouTube is not working in this phone. I tried so much time, half an hour I tried, but the YouTube is not coming guys. You can also see when I pressed YouTube, you will get so much irritation guys when you using this phone. So much lag is there, and it will say a new version of YouTube is available, install from Google Play Store, like that it will say guys. But when we click this install, so much time it will took guys. Now also not coming. See, this plain white color will come, after that this will come, after that not coming guys. After half an hour I tried, but also not coming guys. So sorry for this guys. When the YouTube is worked in this phone, I will do video then guys. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please support me guys, I am requesting you. So hope you see in the next video. Bye.